Boxing isn't just about punches, it's about principles. These are the 36 laws of boxing, the unspoken code every fighter lives by, inside and outside the ring. Starting with foundation. Law number 1, protect yourself at all times. Stay alert, stay ready, never switch off. Law number 2, the jab is your key. Control distance, find range, and open doors. Law number 3, feet before hands, position wins fights before the punches land. Law number 4, balance is power. Your strength comes from a solid foundation. Law number 5, breathe with purpose, stay calm, keep rhythm, and save your gas. Law number 6, eyes up, mind sharp. Read the fight like a moving puzzle. Moving on to defense. Law number 7, make 'em miss, make 'em pay. Turn defense into instant offense. Law number 8, head movement is insurance. Slip, roll, and weave to survive. Law number 9, keep your hands home, protect your temple, protect the fight. Law number 10, know the distance. Understand when you're safe and when you're not. Law number 11, block like a wall, not a sponge. Absorb nothing, redirect everything. Law number 12, never back up in a straight line. Pivot, angle, and stay unpredictable. Next up is offense. Law number 13, punch with intent. Every shot should mean something. Law number 14, set traps, make them walk into your plan, not theirs. Law number 15, body first, head later, slow the legs, take the air, then finish. Law number 16, follow with fire, don't stop after one shot, break them down. Law number 17, precision over power, hit the target, not just the air. Law number 18, combo or be comboed, build attacks like sentences that tell a story. Next is mindset. Law number 19, train like you're in second place. Stay hungry and relentless. Law number 20, pain is part of the process. You pay in sweat and bruises for greatness. Law number 21, fear is fuel. Let it sharpen your senses, not freeze them. Law number 22, confidence comes from preparation. Earn your courage in training. Law number 23, discipline beats motivation. Show up even when you don't feel like it. Law number 24, ego is a liability. The ring only respects real skill, sparring, and competition. Law number 25, spar to learn, not to win. The gym is your classroom. Law number 26, respect the gym hierarchy, earn your place and your rounds. Law number 27, don't spar injured or tired. Save yourself for when it counts. Law number 28, your sparring partners aren't your enemies, they're your mirrors. Law number 29, amateurs fight for glory, pros fight for mastery. Growth beats applause. Law number 30, the ring exposes everyone. It shows truth when you're tired. Life outside the ring. Law number 31, your diet is part of training. Fuel like a fighter, not a tourist. Law number 32. Recovery is a skill. Rest hard, heal fast, come back sharper. Law number 33. Surround yourself with winners. The right team shapes your future. Law number 34. Stay humble in victory, hungry in defeat. Journey is bigger than one fight. Law number 35. The mirror is your toughest opponent. You can't hide from yourself. Law number 36. Boxing is a lifetime game. Its lessons go far beyond the ring. Those are the 36 laws of boxing. More than rules, they're a way of life. Which law hit you the hardest? Drop it in the comments. And if you're ready to sharpen your game, hit that like button, subscribe, and step back into the ring with us for the next fight. Protect yourself at all times and keep moving forward.